Welcome to a new year, new beginning of the Oracle 19 podcast. And again, we're going to expand and keep on expanding until we can't expand no more. And then, once again, my name is Greatness. This is the 100th video that I put out, or I should say show. And again, I'd like to thank all of your guys that's supporting the machine. And I am going to step it up from me to you, so I can give you the best work that I can. And I definitely will need your assistance for that. Again, we're on all major platforms: Anchor.fm, Google, iTunes, Spotify, Apple, just to name a few. And again, if you want to support the machine, you can support the machine basically by turn the music off for a moment so you can hear my voice more. If you want to support the machine, again, you can email me, the business email, evolutionoflondon@gmail.com. Again, that's evolutionoflondon@gmail.com. If any business inquiries, if you want to basically put your brand on my platform, you can email me. And actually, you can email me. If you want to make a free will offering through my PayPal account, same email, evolutionoflondon@gmail.com. So just to give you a heads up with that. Now sometimes I just have to focus and I have to say certain things, convey information to you. So sometimes I just had to get that quietness out the way, and we can get back to the soothing music so I can feel more delicious, more scrumptious. We have different links to our products that we sell. You can go to www.linktree.com//Evolution of London. Our Patreon channel, which we're going to have a lot more videos. I need your guys to support that as well. Basically just $5 a month if you want to have videos that is not on YouTube. I'm going to have more videos that is not on YouTube that will be on our Patreon account. And that's because YouTube is very funny and they restrict a lot of language in your videos. So I'm going to have a lot more serious videos on my Patreon account. And basically $5 a month, that's all you need to pay. You will have a lot of content on there. Because the world is changing. And you have to change with the times. So www.patreon.com/Evolution of London. And I'm going to be pushing that a lot more this year, and I'm going to be pushing for y'all guys to support that channel. Because again, like I said, I'm going to have a lot more content on there. Because I just see the direction of YouTube and the world that we live in. You can check out our shopping website, www.evolutionoflondon.com. That's our baby shopping mall. And I'm going to be expanding on that too. We're actually going to be having commercials on there. And you will see that around as well through social media. So that's going to be happening. A lot of great things are going to be happening this year. And I'm definitely going to be asking y'all guys to support the machine a lot harder. You'll see. But you will love it. You will see the progression of your boy here. You can check out our website. Again, our baby shopping mall have a wide range of different products. Again, home products, house products rather, clothing, perfume, jewelry, furniture, etc., etc. Also, www.evolutionoflondon.org. That's our custom clothing, accessories, and digital products. You're going to see more different products this year. We're going to step that up as well. It's not a game. Support Mr. Will. He's a fitness consultant for over 15 years. You can email him at man, I had a brain lapse. What's going on with me? And I didn't even drink actually today. That's the thing. I'm just excited. Willie's Fitness 99 at gmail.com. I'm just like hyped up. I'm on a different vibe, year one, and I just, I got a lot of things I want to do, we all do. And I'm going to get to today's topic in a moment after I finish the business aspect of things. Willie's Fitness 99 at gmail.com if you want to have book a appointment consultation. You can email him and also check out his merchandise, www.wjaccessories.com. Once again, that's www.wjaccessories.com. And we do have a GoFundMe page. I'm setting up for a Cash App as well. Again, this is year one. Day one, I should say. And it's not a game. All other information you will see in the description box of Greatness 19 channel, which is on YouTube. And definitely like, subscribe, and share for that channel on YouTube, as well as Mr. Evolution of London. That's our health and wellness channel. And again, we have music by Cheap Limousine. He's on YouTube as well. Today, just a different mix. You can check out this gentleman, Insane Mixer, I believe. As INSANEE''S Mixer, MIXXR. And you'll find him on YouTube as well. West Side Guns. Check that out as well. Just a different flavor. Just a different vibe. Today, we're going to talk about planning for your future. As you know, this is New Year's Day, and this show is going to be pretty short. We want to, I should say all of us want to kick off to a good year, of course. A lot of times we always have plans and big plans, and we never follow through. Take things in baby steps. Accomplish daily goals. When you can look into the future, that's great. But deal with small things at a time, daily things. You might have goals today. Make sure your house is in order, it's clean, your laundry done, papers you need to shred, contacts on your phone, certain people you want to delete. Things like that, small things. That will help unclutter your mind. Little things. Start with that. Your house. Because, again, if your house is not in order, how can your mind be in order? Just something to think about. Again, if your house is not in order, how can your mind be in order? Financially, plan out certain things. Let's say your job. Let's say you're not satisfied with your job. What's your next move? Put it out there. Start preparing your resume or updating your resume, and start sending out resumes for different jobs. You know, it's always a good time to look for different jobs when you already have a job. So don't just sit and be lazy. Be more proactive. Go out there and start looking now while things is decent for you. And if you're not working and are looking for work, you gotta hustle harder. Start sending resumes online to different companies like Indeed.com, Workopolis, I believe. Look for temp agencies. I mean, these things, I know this is common knowledge. You should know that. Some people actually, a few people probably don't, or they just need that push. But again, this is dealing with planning for your future. Saving money. Even if you could put aside $5 or $10 a week. 10 equals to 40 a month. Times that by 10 months, that's, we know the math, 400. And then tack on 2 more extra months, you're looking at 480. And then if you really look at long term, let's say 500 a year, times that by 10 years. But see, you got to think of the long haul. Of course, you're going to save more money along the way, but put it in order now. It really is, because this is the time right now. And I know I'm going to be getting into cryptocurrency a lot more. I'm going to get down with that because, again, it's cheap to invest. Under $100 you can start off on. And this is the time. Digital marketing, digital investments, even the metaverse. You can buy property in the virtual world. This is the time to look into a lot of things, investments. Because the government is telling you that regular currency that you once knew, aka US currency, is going to dissipate. So you better get used to the digital world. Example, when you have a credit card, debit card, that's cashless. And more people is using that. That's just an example how government already and banks already implemented that already, right? Right underneath your nose. Planning for the future, for your future. And it's a new year, new beginning. Take time out to invest in yourself, especially you men. Because if you want to be leaders within your circumference, you have to implement these things starting yesterday, especially you young black men or old black men. As long as you live in, it's not too late. This is the time. Learn about stocks. Because now you don't have to put thousands of dollars like how it used to be to start on stocks. Now it could be it could be $100 you could start off investing in the stock market. Of course, the more you put, the better it is for you. But this is the time. Because the world is changing right in front of you. With the variants that is going to be here, which I'm going to talk about the new variant probably on the next show. Things is right in front of you. What you going to do? How you going to plan for your future? People around you, family, friends, or foe, that is negative towards you, get rid of them. That includes myself, getting rid of old trash. It is what it is. You got to do it. Again, it's getting serious out here. Keep positive people around you. See, I believe in laws of attraction. What you put out there mentally, your mind is very powerful. What you put out in the universe comes back. I do believe that. You might not, oh well, but the power of the mind is great, including your mind. I'm sure we can all agree you don't use the full 100% of your brain capacity. So what that tells you, you have a lot room to do better. Again, it's getting serious out here. We're in serious times. Plan for your future. Again, you might have to get rid of family, friends, or foe. Might be your husband or your wife. Might be your children. I call it casualties of war. And there will be casualties for the overall benefit of your salvation. It's not about just making money, even though we know that's a tool that we need. But also your mind, your spirit, your soul. That you have to look at. You have to guard against people trying to take away your chief, your energy, translation. So this is day 1 of the new year. Kick off, make this the start of a great year for yourself. Work out. Take care of your health. Because if you have poor health, you can't do anything, nor anyway. So take care of your health. Very important. Work out, men. Stay fit. So you could be able to be good, to be a leader to your people, your loved ones around you. Become more knowledgeable. Read, and read books that can elevate your mind. This is all dealing with planning for your future. Stop being lazy. Men especially. But ladies, this applies to you as well. It's time to step it up. If you don't, who will? Something to think about. Thank you for listening.